Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little Monday reset and clean with me. You guys just saw me put the bed sheets in the washer, and now I'm going to make some coffee and then we'll get started. Alright, so there's the front door, and the first right is our shoe room. The only thing I have to do in here is vacuum and take out the box. Then right after that is our living room, and then a little area behind the couch. We normally eat our food in here, so a lot of food will fall in between the couches and then on the floor and then into those little divot areas, so I need to vacuum in here and then also vacuum the couch. And then here is our kitchen. Aside from the filming equipment, all that needs to happen is washing the counters and the dishes. And then across from the kitchen, we have another living room area, and we don't really have a whole lot of furniture in here because it's just the two of us. So all we have is the chair, the poof, and the lamp, and then a couple puzzles and a plant. And the only thing that needs to happen in here is vacuuming. And then at the very end of the hallway, we have our guest bedroom, and I filmed a video on this, so if you want to go watch that, go ahead and give that a watch. But yeah, the only thing in here that needs to happen is vacuuming. And then here is the office. All I need to do is clean off my desk, vacuum, and clean off the couch. And then this is the master bedroom. All I need to do is make the bed and vacuum the floor. Alright, so in here, all I need to do are the shower doors, the sink, the mirrors, the toilet, and take out the trash, as well as vacuuming. When these shades were put in, it just got really dusty here, and I obviously cleaned up the floor, but I never actually did up here, so let's do that. So I just put the sheets over to the dryer, and now I'm going to put a new load into the washer. And something that I've been forgetting like all the time is our couch blankets and pillows. They're not for show, like they're literally just for comfort. They're really ugly and old, but they have been getting food all over them and like stuff like that, and I just always forget to wash them, so I'm going to put those in the washer now. Also, I wanted to say the reason why I forget them all the time is because they get stored in here. So anytime we're done, I just like throw them in here and then go to bed. Like I'm just too tired to put them in the washer. So these are two things, the blanket and one pillow. EJ's pillow was thrown into the hamper a long time ago. It just hasn't gotten washed yet, so we're gonna go do that.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy, I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fine, divine. Fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling.
Hi guys! So after work last night, I came home and switched the laundry out, and then I just pretty much relaxed for the rest of the night because I was too tired to film. But yeah, the house is all clean and refreshed, so I'm super happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!
Nice swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy, I feel like the world